welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing some friend mail, and this was an unintentional collab, just so you know. I was talking to a friend of mine, Brianna from PurplePinkRed, or did I say that right? Anyways, I was talking to my friend Brianna, and she was going through a kind of a tough time, so I wanted to send her something nice to cheer her up. So I did. And then she decided she was going to send me something in return. So that is what we're going to unbox here today. This massive box she sent me, which I'm like super impressed and surprised and excited. Alright, I had to put it back on the table. I'm not experiencing an earthquake. Again, I live in North Carolina. We have hurricanes, not earthquakes. Alright, so first thing I pull out is a card that she sent me. But I am going to show you this because this is cute. When it comes to friendship, you get a gold star. That's really cute. Okay, so I will tell you this. She said all of the products inside are Australian made from Australian owned companies and are considered to be natural alternatives because she's really into natural alternatives and Lush. Okay, so I'm super excited about this because I know she's gonna pick stuff. Good stuff, that is. Okay. Alright, so let's see what she sent. Oh Lord. Okay, so first thing we got here is stuff. We have stuff. I cannot read very well through bubble wrap. Boy, does she double wrap these. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. First, we've got Blood Orange Brightening Clay Mask. Ooh, I really love blood orange. Okay, so let me open the box. See the box here? Not a brand I've ever heard of, so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Ooh, okay, this is an interesting color. Look at that. It faintly smells like blood orange, but it's got turmeric, and I really like products with turmeric in it. It's so good for your skin, so I'm really excited about that. This girl has definitely been watching my channel, so thank you, Brie. And this one is Natural Hydrating Facial Mask. This has enriched with natural botanical alternatives to hyaluronic acid. I do like that. And that is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside the container. It has a nice thick cream feel to it, look to it, so that looks really good, really interesting. So excited about that one. Okay, so next we have Rose Water Balancing Mist Toner. And I pretty much only use rose water as a toner unless I'm given it in a beauty box. So she picked the perfect thing for me. Oh, that smells so good. I love rose water. Alright, so next we have Hibiscus Anti-Aging Night Cream. Okay. So I go through a lot of night cream, so I'm really happy about this. And guess what? She sent me this. Oh no, this is anti-aging night cream, and this looks like it's a day one, so it goes together. So excited. Yes. Okay, so there's that hibiscus. And let's see what that looks like on the inside. Nice creamy. Like that. Alright, so this one is anti-aging facial moisturizer. Is that the same as what she gave me? Nope. Okay, so this is anti-aging facial moisturizer. There we go. Okay, so this does have vitamin A, B3, and resveratrol or whatever. I might edit the fact that I can't say that out because I can't say anything. But that is what that looks like. And this is also a cream. This one has kind of a yellow tint to it. I don't really smell anything. I actually like the fact that most of them don't seem to have much of a smell. Because that just means they're less likely to irritate my skin, and I can appreciate that. Hey. Holy cow, Brie. You really went there, and I am so impressed. I can't even tell you. You definitely went there. Okay, so let's see what this is. This is Rich Moisture Facial Mask. This is something I go through a lot of too. This is for dry and distressed skin types. Which definitely is me. Can definitely tell she pays attention to my videos again. I sort of attempted to take the top of this. You'll be surprised how fast this stuff goes through in my house or on me. I probably will be gone in a couple months maybe. This smells so good. Okay, so you can tell I didn't do a very good job of taking the top off, but there it is. It smells good. It has kind of like a, I don't want to say fruity, but it does smell so good. Alright, so we've got more stuff going on in here. Like, I feel like it's my birthday or Christmas or something. Okay, so this is body contouring cream. So this stuff probably will form you up a bit. But that's what that one looks like. And I'm very much so going to smell this. Okay, maybe I'm not like smelling things very well because I keep smelling everything she sent. But I'm not smelling much of anything. I should smell like something. Let me see. Well, I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but I know it has a fragrance to it. I just don't know what it is, but it's not heavy, it's very light, so I don't think it's going to irritate at all. But it does say that it is supposed to reduces the appearance of cellulite and keeps skin looking smooth and toned whilst vitamin rich. Moringa oil and black seed extract help nourish the skin. So yes, all kinds of beautiful stuff going on here. I'm so excited about that. Then next we have Trilogy Balancing Gel Cleaner. Let's see, there you go. And of course I'm gonna smell it. Okay, this smells really good. It has kind of a mint smell to it. I'm assuming it's probably like some sort of peppermint in it. That's what it kind of makes me think. But it's very light. I don't think it's going to be irritating at all. I think it's going to feel really good. It says it has, let's see, aloe vera, cucumber, cool and refreshing. Well, honey and chia help. I know I said that wrong. Help to balance and tone. So has elderberry, has antiseptic qualities, and chamomile calms. So that has some wonderful ingredients in it for sure. So you guys might not know this, but I actually do prefer natural soaps and natural products whenever possible. But I also like to compare how well they do to their counterparts, which is why I do the beauty boxes and I try both products because I want the best of both. And I feel like everything at this point should be natural and organic, but tend not to be. And the things that are natural don't always perform the way they should. And I feel like we're at a day and age, it should be both, and we shouldn't have to sacrifice on one or the other. So I love the fact that Brie did all of this, and I'm so excited about it. This one here is Radiance Serum. So that's what the box looks like. That is what the package looks like. That's really nice. I really like the packaging. Okay, so time for the usual smell. It smells good too. I'm at a point where I can't really identify the scents because I've been smelling everything, but you know, it's good. I absolutely love facial oils. This is a must in my regular skincare routine. So excited. And that is what it looks like. And again, I can't identify the smell, but it smells nice. This is blended for skin and hair. So I don't know which one I'm going to prefer using it as. But maybe I'll try both. I don't know. Usually the oils I buy, I usually use it for my face or my hair, one or the other, not both. So I don't know, maybe I'll try it both. Okay, so the next item she stuck in there is Balancing Face Lotion. Light hydration, optimal nourishment with a bunch of stuff. Okay, there you go. You can see the stuff right there because I don't feel like reading it. And that is what it looks like outside of the box. How's that possible? It has even less of a scent. Okay, so yes, face lotion, exciting. All right, so next she got me some natural soaps, goat soaps, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I actually make my own homemade soaps. By no means does that mean I'm not thrilled about this. I actually do like to try other handmade soaps. I think it's great. And these ones are all goat soap. There is a different process when you use milk in making soaps. And I do find that goat soaps are really, really great for sensitive skin, and they make your skin feel so soft. So there are 4 different ones that she got me, and this is great timing because I'm about to stick a new bar of soap in my shower, so it's going to be one of these. This one is goat soap with lemon myrtle. You can see that there. The next one is goat soap with coconut oil. And this one is goat soap with oatmeal. This would probably be the one I would tell you if your skin is super dry because of the oatmeal. Then there is goat soap with manuka honey, and I make a lot of stuff for myself with manuka honey because it has natural healing properties that not all honey has, and it is really, really good for you. So there's that one. So the very last bundle she stuck in there is this. Okay, so first thing I got here is Deep Sea Hydrating Mist Toner, which I'm excited because I think she sent me a couple different toners and I'm actually kind of low, so perfect timing, Brie. Absolutely love that. Okay, I've been smelling them all. I can't describe the scents to you anymore. Apologize, but there's that one. And I'm gonna smell anyway because that's what I do. Okay, so this is Walkabout Insect Repellent. Thrilled about this actually because we're about to enter insect season where I live. Things are starting to bloom. I am not excited about that because we do not get snowstorms, we get pollen storms normally, and they're bad. Like, you can take shots of the city and there's this nice green yellow cloud hovering over the city. It's disgusting, it's gross. Anyways, that is the insect repellent. And I'm not gonna spray it because it's insect repellent. Ooh, smells so good. This smells like, yeah, citronella. Yep. I like it because it doesn't smell like bug spray. Alright, so she also sent me 2 body washes. And one is cucumber with aloe vera and the other is manuka honey and coconut. Okay, so I have to say this. I am thrilled that she sent me pretty much all skincare because I get a lot of makeup, and for somebody to take the time and realize that I'm more likely to use this over makeup is hugely greatly appreciated. And it means a lot that she took the time to really take and consider the things that I'm into, as well as show me a little bit of the things from where she's from. So that was super cool, and this is probably one of the most impressive things that I've gotten from anyone. So thank you, Bree. This is super awesome, and I really hope you enjoy everything that I sent you as well. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these products below, and I hope to see you in my next video.